I'm Hafsa Fatma, a certified content writer, and here's my portfolio and service for you. Number 1, short stories. Are you thinking so hard to express your thoughts in words? No worries, because I am here to type for you. Then, whether it is fantasy story full of magic and creating a whole new world, or your own life experiences stories. Number 2, poems. Do you want to write sweet words for your loved ones and express your feelings? Number 3, essays and assignments. I will write with my Microsoft skills. Number 4, blogs. Do you want to write about your daily routine or what you cook and their recipe or any other hobbies and lifestyle balance? Number 5, social media caption. Do you want me to write Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat post caption? Number 6, presentation. I got skills in Microsoft PowerPoint and can arrange your data in attractive presentations, especially sciences. Which service do you wanna try first? Inbox me for coordination. You're always welcome.